Okay, attempt number 3. Work with the problem and then information that is key from the problem. Okay, so what we need to do is that. So we're going to set it up as 90 minus 85 equals 93.6 minus 85 e to the power of negative k times 120. Okay, so the 120 is important because that is the time difference between 3:25 and 5:25 in minutes. So there's where we get the 120 from. The 85 is room temperature, and you can see everything there. So what we do first is we're going to subtract these two sides and get 5 and 11.1 from these two. Then write in the E minus 120k. Then we're going to do the inverse operation of the E to get ln 5 over 11.1 equals negative 120k. So then we're going to divide the ln by 120 to get k that equals 0. Sorry, phone call. Someone's trying to call me. I'm not answering. 007k. So then, what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite a new equation with this. So then, this is going to make this equation. It's going to be 93.6 minus 85 equals 98.6 minus 85 e minus 0.007 t. So then what we're going to do is subtract both sides again to get 11.1 equals 13.6 e to get this. From here, we're going to do the inverse of the E again, get 11.1 over 13.6 equals negative 0.007 t. Divide the ln by negative 0.007, and then t is going to equal, roughly, give or take a little bit of time, it's going to be 29 minutes. Okay, so that means she would have died roughly at 2:56 p.m. However, as little Timmy had stated, if you had read the story I made, little Timmy said that the clocks hadn't been moved forward. So, that means instead of 3:25, this would be 4:25, meaning instead of 120, it's only going to be 60. So what we're going to do is something very, very simple. We're going to start from this spot here and this spot here in both of their respective equations and just go down from there. So what we're going to do is going to do ln 5 divided by 11.1 equals negative 60k. So then divide by negative 60. So k is going to equal, power on the calculator, ln 5 divided by 1.1, in parentheses, divide by negative 60. So then this is going to give this number. So what we're going to do is we're going to write k equals 0.013. Okay. So then we're going to skip down to this part of the equation in the second one. So ln equals 1.1 divided by 13.6, and parentheses, equals 0.013, but it's negative because of how it would be written up here, and add the t. So then we're going to divide by negative 0.013 to get t equals 11.1 divided by 13.6, and parentheses, divided by negative 0.013 equals a grand total of 15.6 minutes. So meaning this unnamed lady more than likely died around 4:10 p.m.